Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to mute Facebook Messenger story. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to unmute it? So first of all, open your Facebook Messenger and open that particular stories which one you want to mute. So I'm going to mute this story, so I'm going to open this story and click on this three dot icon here and click on mute story. So this is how we can mute story. Now let's see how to unmute. So click on your profile picture and scroll down and click on story and click on stories you have muted, and here you will find all the stories which you have muted. To unmute, simply click above unmute and show. So that's it for now. If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to unmute. Thank you for watching.